Okay, pupils, we are on this Year 2 Super Minds Workbook on page 76 until page 77. So we are on listening skills. So this is activity 1. So later I will play CD2 track 49. So make sure you listen carefully and then listen carefully before you color. So let's begin.
Workbook, page 76. 1. Listen and colour.
Here is my house. It's a big house. It's got a red door. I like the red door. I've got 2 cats. One cat is black and the other cat is black and white. In the garden there are lots of flowers. The flowers are blue and yellow. There are 2 big trees. They've got orange leaves. My bike is in the garden. It's green. I like my bike. And there's my football. My football is blue and yellow. Let's kick the ball. Whoops!
So I will pause this video first. After I color, I will come back again. So this is the result. So make sure you color the draw as red color. And then 2 cats. One cat is black, another is black and white. So it is up to your coloring skills. So and then we have this one. We have this flower. So sometimes you may need to use the ink pen. So maybe this one. So this is the ink pen. So blue in color. And then you use maybe color pencil. So I will use this type of color pencil. So this is erasable one. So erase completely. So this is up to you. So this is by Delhi if you want to buy it. So this is one of the way. So maybe you can use your conventional color pencil. So this is up to you. And then we have these trees here. So the trees, orange leaves. So you may color overall. And then we have this bike. So this bicycle all in green in color. So it's also up to you whether you want to color the tire. So in black in color. So I will color the whole bicycle as green color. And then we have this football, which is the same color with these flowers here. So yellow and blue. So this is up to you to color the remaining paper here. So this is up to you. So you can color the whole picture. So it is up to you or up to your teacher. Basically you need to color all for this page. So this is for page 76. So we go to page 77. And then I minimize a bit. And then now we go to this activity 1. Look and read. Write yes or no. So the yes is in lowercase. So we go to question number 1. So question number 1 and number 2 are already given. So there are 2 boys and 2 girls. So longer hair, girls, and then we have boys 2. So there are 2 boys and we have 2 girls. So we write the answer as yes. And we go to number 2. The children have got ice creams. So if you look carefully, there is not even one ice cream for these children. So the answer is no. And then we go to number 3. So the boys have got a ball. So there is a football here. So we write as yes. And number 4, the girls have got bikes. So there is no bikes here. So we write the answer as no. And then number 5, there is a cat in the tree. So this is not a cat. So this is an owl. So there is a cat. So the answer is no. So the answer is no for this one. And then number 6, there are 3 dogs in the park. So if you look carefully, there is only 1 dog in the park. So the answer is also no. And then last, number 7, there are 3 butterflies on the flower. So yes. So 1, 2, 3. So we write the answer as yes. So that's it for today. So we are on this Year 2 Super Minds Workbook on page 76 until page 77. So if you're okay, you can subscribe here. And then you can consume the related contents here. Right below this video, there is a link. You can click it. You can join my Telegram bot for free.